Take a look at the dollar index holding quite strongly above 81, 81.20 actually, and that really has led to some commodities declining, especially the precious metal space. So you have seen gold prices continue to hold around those 3-week lows. We have not been able to cross above that 1290 mark on the higher side in case of gold prices there. Also, if you look at the silver prices, 0.5% of a decline coming in for that one as well. But the picture is quite different when you look at the Indian markets here, because the rupee is trading 1.5% on the lower side. So that is taking your calculation slightly on the higher side. So positive going in precious metal space as far as the Indian markets are concerned. Ditto is the case with energy as well, while the international markets have seen a bit of a gain coming in, and purely because of geopolitical concerns, as the Iran talks have not yielded any results, you have seen some support coming in for that space. But the Indian prices, of course, have gained more than what you have seen their counterparts gain up in the international markets. The base metals in the meanwhile have been trading steady as well. You have seen strong data coming in from US as in sense of GDP and payrolls as well. It's only a bit of a concern about the Fed tapering, and that would keep a bit of a caution going on into the markets, but the Indian markets in the meanwhile also holding quite good in positive. How do you trade that space? For that, let's get in voice from Kaushal Jani on his strategies today.
Gold in particular seems to be consolidating between 1300 on the downside to 1340 on the upper side, but overall the tone seems to be very firmer. It's getting firmer, and we expect some upside movement to continue. For the day, one can go long in gold at 29,700 with a stop loss of 29,600 and upside target of 29,850 to 29,870. The rupee depreciation could seem to be a trigger for the day for upside for the silver on the domestic front. So we recommend one to go long in silver at around 48,100 for the day with a stop loss of around 47,800 and upside target of 48,600 to 48,700 levels. We could see in the base metals to be more on a sluggish note. The bias towards will be on the downside. We expect some correction in base metals for the day. One can sell copper at around 459 for the day with a stop loss of 461 and downside target of 455 levels. And domestic front, for the day one can go short in crude at around 6040 levels with a stop loss of 6065 levels and a downside target of 5980 to 5950 levels.